Hello, hello, hello. What is going on, guys? I hope you're having a good day, evening, morning, whatever time you're watching this video. I do have a quick Instagram stories tip that I want to get to today. We're gonna jump into Instagram, and I'm gonna screen record here so you can see. So I have 3 photos that I want to use. 1, 2, and 3. Now I've already made this post, but if you haven't, just apply this to making a post. I chose this one to be my main, on my main feed, and I'll show you that now. So what you're gonna do is make your post, and here it is now, and then you're gonna go to the little plane icon, click that, and then add post to story. So a lot of times what people do is they would do that, and then they would just click send to story. Now this is okay, but the problem is as a viewer or as a follower of your page, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna be going through stories, I'm gonna see your linked post, and it's gonna take me a little more effort to click it because I already know what I'm about to see. You always wanna give people a reason to click. So what I've come up with is this little hack. So what I'll do is I'll leave Instagram, go to my photos, and let's say I wanna use this one as the story. So I'm gonna go to the little share thing, click copy photo, and now when I reopen Instagram, it's gonna pop up right here. So what I'd like to do is take this photo and spread it over top of the other one. So now that we're here, I'm gonna go to GIFs, and I'm gonna select right tap here. So I really like to use this one, but you can use obviously any different one. So I would do this and then put this right in the center. So what's gonna happen now is when I post this and it pops up on your feed, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna be able to tap exactly where it says and a little thing will pop up that says see post, and now I can go to it. Let's do that. So I've added it to the story, I go to my stories, and when I click tap here, see post, now it goes to here. I like this technique for a few reasons because as I stated before, you're rewarding your followers. You're not giving them exactly what they're gonna see when they click that. When somebody comes across this and they tap that, for one, it's gonna look different than everyone else's post who's being shared, as well as you get to use 2 different types of content. So you've got the main one that you put on the feed, then you've got the one in the story, and the benefit is that a couple weeks later, you can even take that photo you posted in the story and post it onto your feed. This is just one of the many little Instagram hacks that I use. If you're gonna use this tip, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and maybe watch another one of my videos. It really helps the channel out, and I would greatly appreciate it. That's it for me today, and yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.